How to fix the issue of Adobe Premiere Pro not exporting the full video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the export setting for the video which you want to export. After that, choose the option of source range, sequence in and out. Then go to more settings. In summary, make sure all the settings are available. And in the preset at the top, choose the option of Vimeo 720p HD. Now once you have made these changes in your settings of exporting video, you will be able to export the full video. So that's it. That is how easily you can export full video from Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.